Download the code from codigive.com. Link in description. To create a sleep function in JavaScript using async await, you leverage the power of promises. The sleep function is designed to pause execution for a specified duration. First, you define a function that returns a promise, which resolves after a settimeout achieved through the built-in settimeout method. Uditives, withs, woozeno, will do 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 This allows you to specify how long the delay should be. When using the sleep function within an async function, you can call it with the await keyword, which pauses the execution of the async function until the promise is resolved. This approach enables a more readable and synchronous-like flow in your asynchronous code, making it easier to manage delays without blocking the main thread. Overall, the combination of async await and promises provides a clean and effective way to implement delays in JavaScript applications.